Hi, y'all. Thanks for being here. Thank you to the American Theater Wing for this. Thank you for my parents who are here. Yeah, so this next song is from a show of mine called Third Sex, 1930s Transvestite Leader. And it is a found text, verbatim, punk cabaret. And so every song in it is verbatim from a magazine that was published from 1930 to 1932 in Berlin in the Weimar era. And it was written by, for, and about those who identified as transvestites. So anybody who might identify as transgender nonconforming, gender deviant in any kind of way. And in the piece, it takes place kind of right now in the very moment with this band kind of grappling through all of this text. And the song that we're gonna do comes in at a point in the show kind of later on where the timelines between 1930s Germany and today start to feel scarily similar, and we're trying to figure out how to move forward. And so this song is actually the title song. It's a poem called The Third Sex that was written for issue 3 in February of 1931. And it was written by somebody who went by the name Greta Schoenrock. We don't know if that's that person's real name. We don't know what happened to them. And so I'm gonna invite out a dear friend, a dear mentor, a dear collaborator, Lisa Stephen Friday, to perform this song for y'all.